In this video, I will show you how to use the big clock feature on your iPhone lock screen with iOS 26. To begin, unlock your iPhone and swipe down from the top left corner of the screen. This action reveals your current lock screen wallpaper. Now, long press anywhere on the wallpaper. This gesture activates customization options for your lock screen. Next, tap on the plus button located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see various wallpaper options available for selection. It's important to note that not all wallpapers support this big clock feature. For demonstration purposes, let's select the default iOS 26 wallpaper since it works perfectly with this feature. At the top of your screen, you'll see a digital clock displayed prominently. To utilize the big clock feature, look closely at the bottom right corner of the clock display. You'll notice a small icon that allows for size adjustments. Simply hold this icon and drag it downwards. As you drag downwards, watch as your clock grows larger and more prominent. Once satisfied with its size, simply exit out of customization mode to save your changes. And that's it, you've successfully set up and customized the big clock feature on your iPhone's lock screen using iOS 26. Now every time you glance at your phone, you'll be greeted by a stunningly large clock display. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.